You from okay, just thank you.
On behalf of the staff of the hospital, heads of departments, the Divisional Medical Officer, Northern, and the Northern Division team, I'd like to take this opportunity to welcome you warmly to the so-called Labasa, friendliest hospital in Fiji. Morton Manson. So Morton is the founder of the largest corporate organization in the world. Manson
is working on center for minimum invasive surgery. We have a vegetable garden and a fruit garden as well. And our external renovation is follows. And backgrounds. Total population covered.
Obviously, it's a short tour. Started this morning at Namboalu, Namboa Subdivisional Hospital. Met with doctors and their staff. Also met with the Divisional Medical Officer and his staff. I must say that I commend the good work that our health professionals are doing on the ground. But more importantly, as I've kept on saying over the last few weeks, we just need to keep on building on professionalism and continue to look at the many obligations that we have. Previously, as you know, with the budget that we have, there's been scope of works done. We need to ensure that those works are completed. We're now heading towards halfway through the financial year. So one of the other things that I've been doing is actually meeting the staff in their institutions and just encouraging them to make sure that these works are done. And I keep on saying that the Ministry of Health Facilities is a high volume area, and so, you know, if there's been a major renovation and there are now plans to do maintenance, we need to ensure that the maintenance is done so that we can have nice, pleasant places where we look after patients, and also pleasant places for our staff to actually work in, so that the patients enjoy and coming and being looked after, and also our staff enjoy working in that environment.
It rained, so it would help.
The other thing is, obviously, as you know, it's now the end of the year, it's December. So one of the other reasons why I and the Assistant Minister of Health are touring is trying just to encourage our staff to end the year on a high, because as you know, where we end is where we start. This is the festive season. Obviously, our staff have been working throughout the year and under very trying conditions at times in terms of the amount of patients they have to look after. But having said that, we can't just go into a festive mode and forget our professionalism and our punctuality, for example. So I think one of the things that I've been just trying to reiterate to them that we need to finish this year on a high, and then we begin the next year on that same high. We can't end at a low. Those needs are already been addressed, because as you know, we have the 20-year Minister of the Government Strategic Plan. Within it is the health plan, and that plan actually encompasses all of that. I've kept on saying that the patient-doctor ratios have improved remarkably, and also the nurse-to-patient ratio is also improved. Not only that, but also allied health sciences, allied health services like pharmacy, laboratory, radiography services. Those have also improved the ratios. And as you know, there's been significant salary increases with the doctors in the last 2 years, and also with the civil service in the last year and a half. So those have also helped in retaining staff, which is important. And so we just need to ensure that moving forward from here, that we understand what the plan is of the government of the day, and we embrace that plan, and we walk and we run with that plan.